Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will do more like a review of my own Alpha One Trader. It's a worldwide pocket option robot that you also can have completely for free. Link below the video. I will basically let it run for 10 minutes. After, we are going to check how many trades we did in 10 minutes and what type of win rate and all this good stuff. Just so you have an idea of what you're getting before you get it for free. It's for free, so you're not paying anything for it, but still, it's always good to know something before you start it. So let's start up the robot and see how we do. So, now let's see how it did perform. The robot was now running for 10 minutes. This is to show you what you can expect when you start to run this robot also. So let's go to close the trades. Basically the trades he did in the 10 minutes today, it's from here all the way up. So you can see the first trade he lost, but he won it back here. The first trade here lost, he won it back here, and the 3 last he did win at the first try. So basically, if we don't count the 2 martingale, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in 10 minutes. So in average, you can say from the 10 minutes at least, you have 1 trade each second minute, we can say. So that is what you can expect. And here you can also see how it's performing. So if you want this robot, like I said, you can have it completely for free. Link below the video. So with that, have a perfect day.